Here's how to use the various Android Auto features. First, go to the Google Play Store and download the Android Auto app. The first time you use Android Auto in your car, make sure that your vehicle is at a standstill with the handbrake engaged. Connect your smartphone using a USB cable. Approve any app requests that appear on your phone screen. Your phone features are now within easy reach, in complete safety. You can make calls using the Google Assistant. Press the voice control button on the steering wheel and speak the name of a contact from your address book. Use the rotary pad for your calls. Select the phone feature. Choose Recent Calls or Favorites, then start your call. Always find your destination quickly. Use the rotary pad to select your preferred navigation app, either Google Maps or Waze. Select a destination from Recent or Favorite locations, or by using the voice control command. The system calculates the time it takes to reach your destination, taking into account live traffic conditions. Remember that Android Auto-compatible navigation apps are only available if they are already installed on your smartphone. If you haven't installed any yet, you can download them from the Google Play Store. Select the Music feature to listen to music. Then choose a music app from those installed on your smartphone. If you don't have any, download an Android Auto-compatible one from the Google Play Store. Access your smartphone playlist and select the track you want to play. You can also use the Google Assistant. Press the voice control button and ask for one of the tracks on your smartphone.